Welcome everyone. In this video, we will be discussing bullish ideology. And the concept of bullish ideology is very simple. We will look for liquidity, as in retail positions, in the form of equal lows. So what we would like to see is a very strong impulse down below the equal lows in the form of a wide ranged bodied candle or a long wick spike below equal lows that capture liquidity, and then an aggressive impulse to the upside. So just by knowing that, we know that the banks have captured liquidity and then changed direction and sentiment. So if we look at this diagram to the right here, we see this bearish wide range candle that spikes below liquidity, and then this impulse up. So what we would wait for is price to correct itself back down into the open of that bearish wide range body candle that captured liquidity for our most optimal area for buy positions.